Good morning and welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm Brian Tuttle and I'm here today to show you this beautiful 2000 model B36TC. This one's been converted to the Tornado Alley Whirlwind 2. It's what everybody's looking for. Step in, let's take a closer look. As pilots, we get our license and we all want to go faster, further, and higher. And this B36TC, this is a conversion that everybody wants. This airplane came from the factory with an IO 520 turbocharged engine, and this one has been converted. This has a Tornado Alley Whirlwind 2 conversion. IO 550, this was brand new when it was installed. We have 2,375 hours total time since new. Only 1,275 hours on this engine. You can see we have Turbo-GAMI injectors, we have Millennium cylinders. This is a Bill Cunningham PowerMaster engine. Everybody in aviation knows he's one of the best. It's a blueprinted engine, probably over $100,000 for this setup, and great baffling system here as well. Beautiful prop. This has the same time as the engine, and what a great airplane. One of the biggest amenities for the B36TC is the fact that you have the Baron 58 wing. Now, this wing helps you climb faster, it handles better, but it also gives you 102 gallons of usable fuel. This system normally on an A model, you'll see you have either Osborne or DeShannon tip tanks. No need for that on this airplane. 102 gallons usable fuel. That's good enough to get you 5 hours downrange with IFR reserves. The paint on November 224 Delta Romeo is in absolutely gorgeous condition. This was redone by Murmer in 2017, one of the best in the country. This is Matterhorn white with dark blue and gold striping. We have the Bonanza BEECHCRAFT B on the tail, and the end numbers are outlined in gold. This is absolutely gorgeous. One of the many reasons that pilots buy the B36TC is for the big double cargo doors that you see here. We have our club seating, a lot of different arrangements that you can do back here. If you'd like, you can take the rear seats out. Also, just with a little pull of a lever, we can fold this seat up. There's a hinge to hold it in place if you need to take those with you. And a couple of pins, you can pull these right out, but a lot of flexibility back here to store cargo, golf clubs, anything you want. As your passengers step into November 224 Delta Romeo, you'll see the interior is in beautiful condition. This is original, but it's very, very nice. Tan leather seating and carpet. You can see I've got my executive writing desk out here. We've got G&D tinted window inserts. These really help cut down on the heat in the summertime and keep it nice and warm in the wintertime. It also helps for a quiet ride as well. The headliner's in good shape. Windows are in good shape. We have 6-place oxygen system. You know, you're in a turbocharged airplane. We're going to be going up high. We have our own lights, our own WAAS, 6-place intercom. What's not to love about this airplane? It's a beautiful way to travel. The panel on November 224 Delta Romeo has a very good IFR platform. We have a Garmin 530 WAAS, Garmin 430 WAAS, PN Engineering 7000 audio panel. We have Garmin GDL 69 XM weather, that's on a subscription base. For our ADS-B, we have Garmin GTX 330 ES. We have a King 87 ADF system, King 63 DME, and a very good digital KFC 225 Autopilot / Flight Director and HSI system. This has altitude Preselect, vertical speed select, and yaw damper as well. Other amenities that you will enjoy on 224 Delta Romeo include the Whirlwind 2 conversion, IO 550 300 horsepower engine, factory air conditioning, 3-blade hot prop, standby mid-continent ADI, standby vacuum pressure system, executive writing table, 102 gallons usable fuel, Turbo-GAMI fuel injectors, 6-place plumbed oxygen, Sandel electronic HSI, JPI 700 engine monitor, G&D tinted window inserts, and Rosen sun visors. If you're in the market for a beautiful, one-of-a-kind B36TC, give us a call. Carolina Aircraft, Greensboro, North Carolina. Make plans to see November 224 Delta Romeo. This plane has it all. It's 2,375 hours total time, 1,275 hours on a Bill Cunningham motor. Beautiful paint by Murmer, factory air conditioning, some Garmin avionics, no damage history. Again, this is the one that everybody wants. Greensboro, North Carolina. Give us a call. I'm Brian with Carolina Aircraft, and thanks for watching.